lymphatic drainage. It can also help to relax the facial muscles and reduce stress. You can use a facial roller, gua sha tool, or your fingers to massage your skin gently. Using a serum. Serums are concentrated formulas that contain active ingredients that can help to address specific skin concerns like dark spots, fine lines, and dullness. They can be used after cleansing and before moisturizing to help enhance the overall effectiveness of your skincare routine. Using eye cream. The skin around the eyes is delicate and prone to dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Using an eye cream can help to hydrate and nourish this area and reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Look for an eye cream that contains ingredients like caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. Avoiding touching the face. Touching your face can transfer bacteria and oils from your hands to your skin, leading to breakouts and other skin problems. It's essential to avoid touching your face as much as possible, especially if you're wearing makeup. Eating a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet that's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help to nourish your skin from the inside out. Incorporate foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet, and avoid processed and sugary foods. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help to improve blood circulation, reduce stress, and promote healthy skin. Aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day, and incorporate activities like yoga or Pilates that focus on flexibility and relaxation. Using a humidifier. If you live in a dry climate or spend a lot of time in air-conditioned or heated environments, using a humidifier can help to hydrate your skin and prevent dryness and flakiness. Getting regular facials. Facials can help to deep cleanse your skin, remove dead skin cells, and address specific skin concerns. Consider getting a facial once a month or every few months, depending on your skin's needs. Avoiding hot water. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils and cause dryness and irritation. When washing your face, use lukewarm water instead of hot water, and avoid taking hot showers or baths. Being gentle with your skin. Finally, it's important to be gentle with your skin, especially if you're wearing thick makeup regularly. Avoid scrubbing your skin too hard or using harsh products, and be patient when trying out new skincare products or treatments. Using sunscreen. Sun damage is one of the leading causes of premature aging, dark spots, and skin cancer. Wearing sunscreen daily is crucial to protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, and apply it 15 to 30 minutes before going outside. Reapply every 2 hours or more frequently if you're swimming or sweating. Taking breaks from makeup. Wearing thick makeup for extended periods can suffocate your skin and clog your pores, leading to breakouts and dullness. Taking breaks from makeup allows your skin to breathe and regenerate. Aim to go makeup-free for at least 1 day a week or more if possible. Paying attention to your neck and chest. Often, we focus on the face when it comes to skincare but neglect the neck and chest area. These areas are just as prone to aging and sun damage as the face. Make sure to extend your skincare routine to your neck and chest by cleansing, moisturizing, and using sunscreen. Considering supplements. Certain supplements can help improve your skin's health from the inside out.